More bucks. Oh my gosh. 2 more bucks. I need Carl Anthony Towns. Please. Please.
He was the one bringing me down.
Please. Please make this Carl Anthony Towns. Please. Please.
Alright, Mark Jackson relic for the Clippers out of 99.
I'm excited.
Ricky Rubio out of 99. Ronnie Seekley out of 75 frame on for the Heat. And how about this cat? Carl Anthony
Yes!
Towns, RPA 14 of
Yes!
for the Wolves. Wouldn't have been much nicer if this was the prime RPA.
Oh my gosh.
Nice hit. The guy is
Oh yes. Thank you.
he's the new center in the NBA.
Oh my gosh, I gotta
Not like
cut
Shaq
now.
Or, the big guys that just stay in the paint.
Let's see this guy. Maybe I'll get lucky. And I got a Zach LaVine earlier, a frame 1. That's good. But wow, I got an RP. I'm not out of him. Nice. Oh my gosh, I'm excited now. Come on, send it back. Send it to me.
Karl Malone at
No, Carl Anthony Towns.
Jazz.
One more Carl Anthony Towns.
We've got 400 points right here, so everyone has a chance of 400 points.
All right.
And a Emmanuel Mudiay at 6/25 Nuggets frame. So we start with Mudiay, we end with Mudiay. There we go.
Okay, 400
All
points.
Right.
Randomize.
One touch and then we'll find out who gets 400 points. Everybody in the break has a chance at 400 points.
I got 2 autographs on this break. Nice.
All right. So if you want the code on the back, I can email that to you as well. Same thing in the redemption. So best of luck, everybody.
Joseph C.
Roll it. Down roll again with Snake Eyes. 4 times. Whoever's on top 4th roll is the winner.
Joseph C, please.
1, 2, 3.
Another Joseph C.
And 4. Patrick.
Oh, I don't see my name there.
400
I'm way down there. It's okay, I got a Carl Anthony Towns. Wow. David Adams, you are awesome.